the shop. You can tell because I got glasses on. Safety first. I'm trying to be better this year. Well, that's different. That's it. It's officially mini nats or bust time. If you've been following the channel or my Instagram and all, you know, mini nats is happening this year, so I figure we've got roughly like 60 days. Better get to work. Well, you know me. I like to show the bad stuff too. Not that, that's good stuff. I mean this. The fact that I've been driving for like a year or 12,000 miles to a few different shows in a few different states. This is my bed mount. You can see that it's not great. And I still have a clamp on it holding that bracket to keep everything from kind of folding in. And you can see where I put legs up to my false floor and welded it. Still the stock bed floor. Pretty ugly. Look, these are gas lines just kind of hanging out there. Yeah, that's not good. That looks like that's actually getting pinched. I think that's just a vent. It's probably leaking though, so probably want to be careful with sparks. Yeah, that's how I did it. Just raised the floor. But it creates a problem because I can't take the bed off until I cut those mounts out. And now I gotta cut and throw sparks right next to the gas tank where I just showed you that pinched line to get the bed off, to be clear. So maybe we'll sawzall this one and try and keep the sparks to a minimum. Wish me luck. Yay, success!
It's your fucking nightmare!
Look, ladies and gentlemen.
Oh, hi.
Guest star appearance. You never know who's gonna swing by. Thank God, somebody that knows what they're doing's here. Yay, it's bright and sunny. All that rainy weather is gone. That means, well, you know what it means. I gotta keep working, that's all. I always try to have a ton of energy, but really I'm just excited in general to be cutting this truck back apart. Let's fix some stuff. Speaker box and all that's gotta come out next so we can get this bed off. Next step in the process, get this cut out and get that box out of there. Well, here you go. Probably one of the questions I get asked the most, how do I do my blow through? You saw all the bracing I cut out. See those brackets? That holds it in. Side to side, can't slide. Look how loose it is now. Yeah, that's how I did it. Now it just comes out. Yeah, now it just comes out. Push it straight back. Now it should comes, hopefully. Things we do for mini trucking. Ta-da! Which is something that magicians say. Quick little update time. They come apart pretty quick. Especially when you only put half the bolts back in and the rest is held on by zip ties. Woo! Underglow. And that's a wrap for this teardown. I think we're gonna end the video right here because the real work starts now. You wanna see more? Okay. I was gonna do this in the daytime, but yeah, we'll do this in the daytime. Tune in to the next video. Cutting, pulling an engine. That's where the real work begins. So thank you guys for tuning in. It's a lot of fun. The road to mini nuts right here. You're gonna watch it with me and we're gonna see if we make it. I think we're like 60 days away right now.